Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to explain National Means Cum Merit Scholarship Exam 8th class Biology Bits Chapter 1. What is science? So all the students watch this video, like video, share to your friends. Question number 1 here. The way that was followed by scientists is called option A enlightenment method, option B questioning method, option C scientific method, option D supportive method. Correct answer here scientific method. Second one, science is a tool for searching. Option A truths of nature, option B amazing to think, option C many problems, option D history of nature. Right answer truths of nature. These are very important for NMMS exam. All of you practice it. Third one, a geologist examines the option A territorial behaviors, option B distribution of fossils, option C rate of reaction, option D angular momentum. Right answer distribution of fossils. Fourth one, science is an organized study of knowledge which is based on option A controlled conditions, option B phenomena, option C experimentation, option D observation. Right answer here experimentation. Which language does the word science come from? Very important. Option A English, option B Persian, option C Greek, option D Latin. Science came from Latin language. We can see kiwi in option A Canada, option B USA, option C India, option D New Zealand. Kiwi we can see in New Zealand. Kangaroo is confined to this continent: Africa, South America, North America, Australia. Kangaroo is confined in which continent? Here D is the correct answer, Australia. Eighth one, the national bird of India. Option A sparrow, option B parrot, option C peacock, option D eagle. So correct answer here peacock. This is the first step in scientific method. Option A display of results, option B observing, option C experiment, option D hypothesis. First step in scientific is observing. So 10th one, science is a history of corrected mistakes. This was said by option A Albert Einstein, option B Darwin, option C Edison, option D Karl Popper. Science is a history of corrected mistakes, said D Karl Popper. Science is a, here is 12th one, the following one is used to measure liquids in laboratory. So measuring cylinders, B spring balance, C burette, D both A and C. Liquids in laboratory measured, measuring cylinder and burette. Supersonics are option A instruments, option B jet planes, C missiles, option D none. Supersonics are jet planes. B is the correct answer. The following one is used to measure time in the laboratory. Time, this is time. Wall clock, time clock, wristwatch, stop clock. In laboratory, measure the time with stop clock. The following one is considered as safety rule in laboratory. Option A, never eat or drink anything in the science lab. Option B, always clean up when you have finished the experiment. Option D, wear safety goggles with doing experiments. All the above. These are safety rules. So here is D, the correct answer. The theory of gravitation was discovered by, very important question is this one. Option A, Einstein. Option B, Newton. Option C, Aristotle. Option D, Galileo. So gravitation was discovered by Newton. B is the right answer. Heliocentric theory was proposed by option A, Albert Einstein. Option B, Robert Klins. Option C, Copernicus. Option D, F. Kochari. So C is the correct answer, Copernicus. History of science was written by option B, Robert Hooke. Option B, F. Kochari. Option C, Newton. Option D, Copernicus. History of science was written by F. Kochari. So scientia is a word that belongs to, already you know the word, that is Latin. 20th one, the word scientia mean. What is the meaning of scientia? Option A, truth. Option B, experiment. Option C, knowledge. Option D, intelligence. So C is the right answer. Scientia meaning knowledge. Thank you for watching. For more NMMS videos, dear children, subscribe our channel. It is useful, our playlist. Thank you. Thank you for watching.